Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about more logic gates. So let's dive into it. So here is our problem statement. Let's try. So this is easy. We have to just assign the outputs of these gates to the particular inputs. So it's easy very much to assign. First one is out of AND. So we have to give the assign the AND operation to this. So we can do A and B. This is the bitwise operation. You can give double AND if you want, either way it's okay. Out of OR, this is the OR operation, A or B. Similarly, assign out of XOR operation. So this is the symbol for XOR, A XOR P. So next one is NAND, out of NAND. So there is no specific symbol for NAND. So what we have to do is invert the output of the AND. So this is the inversion symbol, invert A and B. So this will give the NAND operation. Assign out of NOR. So similarly, there is no symbol for NOR. So we have to invert the output operation of OR. Inversion A or B. Assign out XNOR, out of XNOR. So similarly, we have to invert the operation of XOR, A XOR B. Assign out equal to A not B. So here many people will get confused, like what is this A not B? So as you know, A not B is the, so you're, if you are thinking of how you can write it, so it's very simple. First we have to write A and not of B and not of B, but this will throw error because how you can write this, it will give a error. So for that we have to use a AND symbol, A and not of B. So this will give you the correct output. So let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success, and here is the timing diagram. So there is no mismatch. That's all for today's video.